Wow. Oh.
This looks amazing.
It sure does.
Does the sink work?
Oh, I wish. Not quite. But doesn't it look good?
Yeah.
I love your herb garden.
Mm-hmm. And Pia, the pram is spectacular.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oh, and Ben, your oars are awesome.
There's so much rubbish here.
I know. I wonder what happens to all of it.
Well, unfortunately, a lot of this is going to go to landfill and it's going to take decades to break down.
That's such a waste.
I know. Is there anything we can do?
I see a broken trolley, a beat-up suitcase, and an old bike. We've got to clean up this town.
This town ain't big enough for all this rubbish. I'm talking to you, old trolley.
What's going on? Why are you talking like that? Why am I wearing a moustache?
We can save this rubbish, upcycle it, use it to create unique garden features.
Okay, so we have our rubbish.
And we have the plants.
How can we bring it all together and make it part of this garden?
Well, that's the fun part, isn't it? For example, Ben, what do you want to do with those oars?
Well, I was thinking that I could plant up the vine and watch it grow.
You know what? I reckon I've got just the one. Pandaria. It's so strong and vigorous.
That's such a good idea. And then I was thinking that I could plant a bunch of flowers in that pram.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful. And I could stack that trike full of herbs.
That's amazing.
Shall we get to work?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Herbs are great for shallow pots and planters, like this bike basket. These ones love lots of sun and lots of water.
These flowers are not only pretty, they will attract lots of bees which can pollinate the rest of your garden.
A native creeper, like Pandaria, will add height to any space. Plus, it loves something to crawl up.